Today on Tank Radio, I'm going to be unboxing Jason's new mystery box. Plus, I got a surprise for you coming up on Tank Radio! Before we unbox this guy, I got a surprise for you. Something cool came in! Ooh! Can't wait to get this opened. This is my new hoodie. It's in, it's finally in. Oh, just look at, ooh, I can't wait to see this in its glory. Give me a second to get it set up right. Oh my God, it looks amazing. Just look at it. Oh, that's a beautiful job. I love how that came out. Oh, that is awesome. Oh, that's so awesome. I gotta put it on. We got Tank Radio written down in the arm. We have Tank Radio right here on the breast. Oh, look at that. Oh, and then Tank Radio on the back. Wham, bam. Oh, look at this. Shame I gotta take this off. It is warm in this room. If you wanna go ahead and order your own hoodie, head over to Grapevine Amateur Radio. You might have to search for hoodie in the search box, but this is well worth it. Oh, look at this. The new logo, beautiful. You have Tank Radio written on the arm. Oh, look at that. Oh man, this is beautiful. Go ahead and order yours now, man. I love it. Oh man, they did a great job. I don't know how I'm gonna top this next year. Send me ideas. And here we go. This is Jason's mystery box. Just a box. I know it's mine because he put my sticker on top where he delivered it to me. I can't do it. Oh, that hurts. What goodies we have in here? Wow. Oh man. There's a lot of stuff in here. Let me unpack this for y'all. All right, we're gonna do this one by one. First thing we got in here is a t-shirt. Look at this t-shirt. Ham radio operators were created because smartphone users needed heroes. Now that is funny. That is funny right there. This t-shirt size is a large. So this is going to be given away at some point on my stream. Probably the first stream of January. I think in January. Next thing we have here is... no way! A Abri antenna. This is a SMA male Abri antenna. Oh, I want to keep this. I always wanted an Abri! I'm part of the club now. I'm gonna have to think about that. That is a nice antenna. Then I got a Ham Radio 2.0 magnet and a Ham Radio 2.0 sticker. I have several of these already. I probably will give that one away on stream. Next, we got a USB to USB macro cable. Little does he know, I actually use this in my camera. And little did you know, I'm going to probably use that on a stream coming up. So go ahead and keep your eyes. I'll tell you more about that in a minute here. And next, we got a USB cable? A USB programming cable. It doesn't say for what. Compatible with XP, 7, 8, 10. They just printed all of the Windows versions. I don't know. I don't know what radio this is for. If you do know, go ahead and let me know in the comments. I don't know what this radio. USB programming cable. Two-way radio accessory. It just has a single pin. It just is a tip and a sleeve. So I don't know what is that used for. Interesting. Coming up next, we got Kenwood manual, ARCP 2000. And a Kenwood operating system programming controller program for it. Okay, feels like a CD. It opens. Yep, a CD. ARCP 2000. Cool. And finally, it looks like another t-shirt. I like t-shirts. We all like t-shirts. The Texas DMR, or DMRTexas.net. Place to all fine things DMR in Texas. This is a website Jason helps produce with all the code plug and all the radio information you need for DMR anything in Texas. They do have some code plugs for other states too, but it's mostly centered around Texas. This is a great site and for fine information about DMR repeaters and also the information on what you need to know to program your code plug manually, and there are some out there already that have the code plugs. I think that's it. I hate to waste the sticker, but here we go. Pretty good find for $25 plus. I got myself an Abri! Oh, I've got to do a video on this. But thank you, Jason. This has been fun. I hope y'all enjoyed it. A little bit was coming up because it is the holidays right now. I will be doing a giveaway for most of this stuff coming up in the first stream of January. Also on Christmas Eve, I'll be doing another live stream probably in the morning. And if you know a keyword, go ahead and give it to me and I'll probably send you a special sticker. I will announce that over on Twitter the day of, or it probably will be the day prior, because if I decide to do it, go ahead and watch my Twitter account. And New Year's Day, right now I believe the plan is to be in Galveston. We're going to be having some fun down in Galveston. New Year's Day we're going to be doing a POTA activation like we always done, ringing the new year on the beach. So that is it. That's all I got, y'all. Y'all have been amazing. Thank you for watching, and as always, y'all, go forth and conquer. Audio 1 2 1 2.